how to reactivate your Cash App card. If you wish to reactivate your Cash App card, there are a couple of things that you can do. First of all, if you have received your Cash App card but then would like to activate it, you can just go ahead and then launch Cash App, and this is the interface you will see. Then go to the debit card, which looks like a debit card, right? Which is the card icon from the bottom of the navigation menu. Here on this page, you'll find if your card and all the details. So when you tap on the card, you should find option like the option to activate your card if it isn't already activated, and you can go ahead and select that. And if your card maybe got blocked due to some reason, you are not seeing the activate button and so on, in that case, you can try to contact the customer support. So tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen, and from there what you can do is simply go to the option and scroll down and go to the option that says support. Then when you go to support tab, you'll be able to contact the customer support from Cash App, which in turn they will help you go ahead and then follow up with the other changes to go ahead and then reactivate your Cash App card. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.